Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change out the rear view mirror in your Fiat 500. So to take it off, we have to put it up the windscreen. So don't just put it out, we're sliding it upwards along the glass. So I've just got my hands behind it and I'm just gently putting pressure on, and there we go. It just pops out. You can see the only thing holding it in is this little black plastic ball that's on a spring. So when you get your replacement one, you're going to offer it up and you're going to push against that black plastic bit, because this bit's nicely attached to the windscreen still, and then it's going to slide down. So I'm locating this ball around about this part, and then I'm going to put pressure on it. So I've got it there, I'm putting pressure on it towards the windscreen, and now I'm going down the windscreen, and that's it. That is now locked into place again. So it's really straightforward to change over. If you smash yours, you can buy these second hand on eBay for around 20 UK pounds. Thanks for watching.